In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Replit project to a domain registered with 123 reg E's. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a custom domain pointing directly to your Replit project, making it easily accessible to your audience. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Replit account. Once you're at the home page, navigate to the project you want to link with 123 reg. If you have multiple projects, make sure to select the one you've decided to publish on a custom domain. Once you've identified your project, click on it to open it. Now turn your attention to the project URL. You'll need this link for the upcoming steps, so go ahead and copy it. Just grab the entire URL from your browser's address bar and make sure it's saved either in your clipboard or a notepad file so you can easily access it later. Next, we'll turn our attention to 123 reg. Head over to their website's homepage, and if you haven't already, log into your account. Having an active account is crucial as it's where you'll manage your domain settings. Once logged in, locate the section labeled Domains on the dashboard. Clicking on this will direct you to a list of domains you currently manage. Now, within the domain section, you want to find and select domain names. Here, you'll have the option to paste the URL you previously copied from your Replit project. This step is key because it tells 123 reg exactly where you want your domain to redirect to. Paste the URL in the input field provided. After pasting the URL, it's time to search for it. You should see a search button nearby. Click on it to proceed. This operation checks the system to see how your domain will be configured with the URL you've provided. Once the search operation is successful, find the option labeled Make It Yours. By clicking on this, you're indicating your intent to associate your domain with the Replit project URL you provided. As you progress further, you'll encounter a button labeled Continue. Press this to move ahead to the checkout stage. The option Ready for Checkout will signal the final stages of this process, so click on it to prepare your order for submission. Finally, you'll need to fill out your billing information. This is the last formality required to secure your domain link. Input your details accurately into the provided fields, and once you've completed this, your custom domain will soon be live. And that's it! You've successfully linked your Replit project to a domain on 123 reg. Now your project can be accessed using a custom domain name, making it more professional and accessible. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!